Good morning everyone, it's William Cornwall here. Is your SharePoint and Teams environment getting unwieldy with users creating lots of sites all over the place? A lot of customers turn the site provisioning off for users, but that does stop the productivity and the collaboration capabilities for users to create sites when they need them. We've worked on a provisioning capability where a user is actually able to complete a form. We use Microsoft Forms technology. We capture some basic information. In here I'm going to just capture some information like project XYZ, description of the project, and just a project number. Now we could actually extend this form and capture additional information like additional owners or justification reason, those sorts of things. But a simple form is being filled in by the user and then it's submitted off for approval. What this does behind the scenes is it triggers off a LogicApp, and the LogicApp runs in Azure. And this is basically running through and doing a number of different things, but the first thing it does is sends an approval email off to the person who needs to sanction that the site should be created. So in here we've got an email that's come in that says that William Cornwall has requested a new SharePoint project team site, project XYZ, with the description of the project. At this point in time, the authorizer here can actually determine whether it should be approved or rejected. If they reject it, it could be because a site already exists that the user wasn't aware of and they can just point them to it, or the topic isn't really a required topic for our organisation. But if they do decide to approve it, one simple click, and that will actually continue the workflow, and that workflow will continue on, and now it'll actually start doing the provisioning behind the scenes. So it'll go off and provision a Microsoft Teams site, SharePoint site, and Office 365 group that'll all be connected. Once that site is created, an email will go back to the user that originally requested the site to be created, telling them that it was approved and that it's now ready for use. As you can see, this is the email that's come in. So if we go back to Microsoft Teams, you can now see that Project XYZ has been created with a channel in there for general with the typical standard capabilities. Now this could be extended. We could actually apply custom JSON to actually customize what the team environment looks like with additional tabs, additional channels, and applications that might be loaded in here automatically. We could also apply the same sort of thing to the SharePoint side by applying a site design template through to that site as well. But as you can see, simple form for a user to fill in, complete, submit, have it approved, and have the automatic provisioning capability create these sites. One other thing that some of our customers also like to do is to create standard naming conventions around things like project sites so that they're all consistently named. Now you could extend the form and the process to actually create the site in a nice consistent manner as well. Alright, thank you for watching.